Hi everyone, and I'm so glad to see you. And I mean that. I love visiting with you, and you know who you are. So you bring just as much of an encouragement to me as I hope I bring to you as you begin this day and this week, whatever is going on in your life. There's lots, isn't there? I had a laugh yesterday. It popped up on my phone that yesterday was the World of Kindness Day. A reminder that it was an event of the world to alert us to be kind. Wow. Isn't that amazing that we need to be told to be kind? Like, shouldn't it be something that we're encouraged to do every day, not just one day a year? But again, I think we have to be reminded about being kind. There's a recipe, and I had it written down at the beginning of this video, a recipe for kindness. Mix together equal parts of friendliness, helpfulness, laughter, encouragement, and love. Wow. And you know what? Acts of kindness come in all forms of ways, don't they? It's not always tangible things. And did you see what I read? Being friendly, being helpful, bringing laughter, encouragement, and love. Wow, how do we do that? It's not giving money. It's not giving gifts. The other day, I had the most wonderful phone call from a friend that called, just picked up the phone in random and said, "Thank you." Wow, that that boosted me for the entire day. How about saying thank you to the cashier? How about just saying to maybe that hospital worker, "I appreciate you. You're doing a great job." How about a joke, making somebody laugh? I love laughing. I have quite a sense of humor, and some people think I'm always serious, but I am not. I'm the opposite of that. Sometimes I have to control my joking. My joking sometimes has got me into trouble. Like on Sunday morning, I turned to a lady who looked wonderful in church and I said, "Hubba, hubba." And she said, "Bonnie, we're in church." And I said, "Well, you still look gorgeous." So these little acts of kindness, gentleness, calmness is acts of kindness that we all have to be reminded to keep giving to each other wherever we are. Sometimes our kindness has to be first in our own homes. Sometimes that's hard because my husband and I are with each other constantly, and sometimes irritated by our perpetual habits that just sometimes get under our skin. But just to stop and say, "You know what? I love you just for who you are." And maybe doing that extra thing like, I don't know, my husband every so often uh, does something out of the unusual, and I'll say, "Gee, what do you want?" And instead of saying, thank you, I appreciate you." I'm reminded of this kindness that we have. Um, comes from the Lord. We have to be reminded to be kind to even the people that are abrasive to us. And you know the people in your life that are abrasive. And in Ephesians 4, verse 32, God reminds us to be kind to one another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, as God in Christ forgave you. My heart is not always right. I fumble up every day, but God in His mercy forgives me over and over and over again. And we should be like that to other people. So I hope you are encouraged today to be kind. Show some kindness to somebody today. A simple act that can be done by anybody at any time, at any moment of the day. So remember that recipe for kindness. Mix together equal parts of friendliness, helpfulness, laughter, encouragement, and most of all, love. Enjoy and treat somebody today with this recipe. Have a great day. And I'm outside. It's getting cold here in Ontario, but I'm still out here as long as I can. I kind of can't wait for the snow. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I love the snow. So I will be out here as long as possible, and drippy nose, watery eyes, whatever. Enjoy the day. God bless.